Minister has made a recent statement that he is increasing the strength of the SIT from the present 6 to 22. Now this is the Chief Minister trying to confuse people, or he himself is confused, is the question I am asking. The reason is, you are picking up 22 officers from the present administration that you are running. When you had the whole administration under you, the crimes are going on. And by picking up 22 from here, how does it solve the problem? Question is not to have the numbers. The question is to have officers who have integrity, who have honesty, who have sincerity to detect the crime. Therefore, the Goa TMC retains its position that this investigation has to be monitored by a judge so that people have confidence. Now the Chief Minister makes a statement. He himself has made a statement. People are coming to me with complaints. Why are people coming to you with complaints? Because they have no faith in the system. Now you have got an SIT. It is headed by whom? It is headed by an SP. I am not challenging the integrity of this particular officer. I am challenging the perception of the people of Goa vis-a-vis the Goa police. Now tell me, it is the Goa police itself who have frustrated so many people. The other day there was in the news, in Father 1 year the case is pending of land grabbing. There are FIRs not registered, now they are being registered, complaints have been long time back. Now how do we expect the police to go, people to go to the same police? It is the duty of the Chief Minister to create a confidence in the people. And he has suddenly started using the word that fast-track investigations is going on. Yes, we appreciate that. But you should not confuse the issue. The fast-track investigation without a fast-track justice has no meaning. And that is what Goa TMC once again reiterates, that there should be a fast-track court to decide these matters urgently. Now, you are talking about you are going to investigate, the SP is going to investigate. All the officers who have played mischief with this and kept it pending were under him all this time. When I say under him means in the police department. How will you take action against your own people? Without any bias, without any favoritism, without trying to put something under the carpet because of certain attachments, certain people. Therefore, this fast track, either the Chief Minister is confused or is thinking that he is confusing the people. Goa TMC is not going to get confused. Goa TMC stands out categorically that there should be fast track justice. If fast track justice is not done and you are only going to get people arrested, if 1 or 2 people are arrested, you are calling that fast track investigation, that too. But I will not condemn that. I will say, okay, we welcome that. And we appreciate that the intentions of the Chief Minister may be very good. But the fallout of it is very bad. Now, by allowing fast-track investigation and no fast-track justice, you are encouraging the political touts to go and make deals with the victims. And the victims are going to fall for it. Under no circumstances, the people who have already frustrated by lodging complaints at the police station and no action has been taken for years and months together, how do you expect them to come forward again? Therefore, again, we are repeating Goa TMC, a judge should supervise this to create confidence in the people. Doesn't come to the SIT, go to the, what is the SIT? Which point? Who is the person? Which is the office? Nothing. Where are the terms of reference till today? Nothing. So under what are they investigating this? Nobody can understand it. I don't think the Chief Minister has understood it. Is he trying to fool the people? Is my question.